Good morning, hey cow. Anyway, guys, welcome on today's vlog. My name is Halobebo Official, and it's a bright morning over here in East Africa, Kenya. We thank God for the gift of life. So right now, I'm around at home, and on these videos, I'm going with my brother in Border Town, so he can able to make shopping for the school, and then the rest of the stuff I'll sort it step by step. So right now, my family over there, we have the funeral is going on, so we decide let's my brother go to school in university, and then doing the remaining exam which he failed only two out of I think out of 16 he passed 14, and then he failed some few questions. So he's going today. I think by tomorrow he'll start on examination, and then during the burial of my uncle, he will be here. So today I'm releasing him to go, and actually I'm so grateful to see my brother succeed in this life. Wow, I don't know who play on my sand here. I don't know whether it's dog or not. I didn't understand, but it is what it is. So let's go. Look, my grandma cows are grazing here, like are chilling here. I don't know, sleeping there. And look, even this one here, very nice. So even guys, I don't know how my grandma she was doing on other side. My great grandma, you can see, got matata is chewing here. Got matata. Yeah, so it's been a while. Maybe after these videos from Border Town, I will go and check my great grandma how she was doing, so thank you so much for everybody who supporting me for this journey here and there. And also I have my baby outside. Yeah, very clean. Say good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
You good?
Yeah.
How was everything?
It's good.
Yeah. So you are going to shopping?
Yeah, small shopping.
Yeah, small shopping.
So that I can head to school.
When did you do exam? This week?
On Monday.
On Monday next week?
Yeah.
Oh, today guys, I think is on Thursday. Huh?
It's programmed. It's not a must on Monday. It can be on Thursday or Tuesday or next week, but not a must on Monday.
Oh, your papers.
Yeah.
And then from that, do you manage to come at the funeral, or it's very difficult? During burial day?
I will check. If there is no exam, I will come.
Okay. So you're supposed to be here because we lost one of our family member, and it's my brother to my dad from another family, So all those house or homestead that you see at the back, that's our family members. And then also here is my grandma home. According to our culture back here, our old grandpa have many of wives, so, and also some brothers here and there. Yeah, we also have some our extended family, things like that. So I'm gonna wear this stuff. I think, oh, it's cold, man. So let me jump start first the bike as we go. First thing when you wake up in the morning is to jump start the bike, and then when it's like accelerate the fuel or the gas, you're ready to go. Even guys, I don't know where my mama she was heading to. I supposed to say hello to my mama before I leave. but it is what it is. So anyway, I feel like, okay, hold for me a camera. I want to wear this stuff. These are chest guard, guys, for you, and also it's have some reflector place here and there. So it helped me, you know. God. I think I should add one jacket on top because it's cold. You know, like I realized most of the windy, it's blow coming with a lot of force to my chest. So this one here, it protect my chest. And then I have long life in this world. And you know. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So first you're going to Tanzania or border town?
Border. I want to recommend this route.
No, this...
It got torn. It is nice. Yeah.
So we take it to the
tailor.
To the tailor? Oh. And then we left from the tailor, we go to border to Tanzania.
Yeah.
We pick rice.
Yeah.
And then we came back. Only rice to go to Tanzania. Yeah, guys, most of the rice we try to buy in Tanzania because right now, have you realized the exchange rate goes up in Tanzanian money? So you must be very careful. And also, sometimes we buy rice from, like in Tanzania, also we buy rice which came from Pakistan. Big shout out to Pakistan people. Also eats Pakistan rice, right? Maybe one of you guys, when we be around at my village one day, you will see, you know, I'll take you to Tanzania, like nothing to worry about, say, oh, passport, nothing. So we go there, making shopping, coming back, and also everything that you see on YouTube, it's live, guys. You're not faking live. I'm showing you the way it is, and that's the best way you can go. So guys, I'm trying my best to make sure my brother went to school, and also the remaining stuff like, you know, rental money, to pay rental money for 4 months, and also other stuff. I'll solve it later. So I'll talk with the landlady or landlord so we can solve our issues. Anyway, guys, let's go. We shall meet in border town. Oh, I see my mama right. Mama, come and say hello. I see my mama right there. You know, I never left home without saying hello to my mom. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, my people.
Good morning, my people.
Okay, that could have done. That's my mama. Okay, guys, let's do this. All right, guys, we are on the way heading border town. Yeah, so that's how everything it is on this side here of my village. That's my baby. Heading straight. That's a Chiva school right there. That's a local school that we have here. You know. So we're heading straight. Again, man. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy Halobeba Official. So after this, we're gonna meet the tarmac road. Oh my god. This couch here. walking on the tarmac road which connects the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. That's a matatu heading that way. Right. That's the church, Roman Catholic Church at the back. Whoa. It's early in the morning, guys. We're outside with my brother. So, chasing our dream here and there. Wagwan, man. That house one day, it could be my dream house, I'm telling you. Because I admire it for a long time. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna push these videos. Wide Border Town is a business center for you. Yeah, offloading of the maize corn right here. I'm telling you, people have some several business outside here. What about Hello Baby Official? That's a shed right there. Yeah, let's go. Should I call CBD Border Town or what should I think, guys? Because it's a business center. Crazy. This is a Subaru here. Hey. And I'm waiting to come in the Subaru. I don't know what's going on at the police station here. You see right here, they're quarreling. That's a police case. The man is struggling with timbers. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, Wagwan, man. Yeah, when I'm passing, people calling me hello baby on the streets. Whoa, whoa. You are moving smoothly. No worry about that. Also, this building are under paints. They are painting. Look how it's shining, guys. White in color. You see that? Yeah. Water tank right here. Yeah? Whichingen. Right in the barn, see. Kenton Hotel, right here. Here you must be very careful, or else you will do something to people. So we try to look for the tailors, and then from that we see what's supposed to do. Guys, we're just back in Tanzania at Nyakohanda company. Let's go. So we need to have rice. Hey, Aisha go zengo. Kero Antishka. Kado gutuna. Tano, kumi huere, ma kumi ngon. 10 kg. Yeah. Hey. When you reach na korete, tau pure baby. Hey. 1 week. Not every day rice. Amuchukua kilo 10. Now guys, we have already bought the rice right here. So we're heading to the supermarket.
Yeah.
To make shopping. Buying soap, buying flour. Hey, crazy. And what next?
All need those.
Soap, flour, cooking oil.
I will buy small one.
Yeah, we are running with a small budget.
Yeah.
You know, if it doesn't have enough money to run big bulk of budget, small. Yeah. Okay guys, let's go. We shall meet in the supermarket. Alright guys, we're back Kenya. Mattress, bags, plastic chairs and all stuff. Man, this is a lot, you know. So that's how everything it is here on this side. You know, we're still moving on. Watermelon, hey. Guys, hustles for everywhere, hustles for real, you know. Whoa, this side they are selling clothes. Look, business everywhere, man. Metallic box and everything. Okay. We're heading to the supermarket, guys. Right now, we're heading to the supermarket. Woo! Oh my God. Look at that. Alright guys, just over here. We want to go to the shop and making some little shopping here and there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm waiting that man to give us a space. Ndogo kama kubwa.
Okay.
Bora. Mafuta tatu shinga. Ndio miana. Ngara kusukuma. Sabino agoromo. Tapula ni mandano for speed quick. So guys, we need to buy some tatomborese.
Antege kukia.
Hey.
You wanna me bring me?
Huh? Hey guys. Now you are rich. Hey. Aya. Na sabuni. Muti. So sabuni is a Swahili word, means soap. And now no. I'm asking about my brother's transport. Oh. Aya. Hakuna msafi. Baada msafi usingugutuni. I remember last time I do for you shopping. A huge shopping which can sustain you 4 months. But this one here, you don't need a camera. You can't. I'm going to go next. I'm going for the number. And teman-teman ini maratot. Kemana? Sering kama mian na. Roach.
I'm going to go.
Ito tatu. Vitambi shingapi? 550. Kiasi 900. 55 eh. Chumvi unaona? Sukari. Dada tupate mafuta lita 2 wakati anafikiria. We need cooking oil. No, you need to have money, enough money. But this one needs push you like 2 weeks. No problem. Leo na maru mura. Haya pesa ndo ile. Itakuwa kama 955. That one, it's better. Life as life in kilo. Miata sukari kilo shingapi? Kama sukari kilo nayo. Tengere mia
Kama nini kana vipi?
shauri yako. Suru hata nusu sasa. Si lazima kilo.
Unasema yanga na.
Nipe nusu.
Hata na vitu.
Life as a university material. You need to sacrifice. Kama ratomere. Eroka go kenge yo gore tena ni hikiro. Tana unichimbira sasa.
Moti bana tani.
Karo tengero yumiki. Era naona musinu kwenge. Mungu maji kiro ne ragu miri kure kwa.
Kirambani yani kunini.
Okay? We need to have a tissue paper. Dara tupe tissue paper kama 3. Nireng, kana ngeke kota nara. 60.
80.
Atapewa hivyo.
Hii sana ya. Sana ya zuri.
Yes, we need tissues. Yeah? Kana chiro rayu mkiokore ore unalebe no chira tamba. Sasa no bandoro wakati norokore.
Chibando.
Ya akore bando yotore nyumba. Imagine 1,150. You must be very careful. Yeah, this one. This one. You can observe by yourself, guys. For me, I'm done my part. Na mnazitibu?
Tunatibu.
Hizi hazigongi?
Sigongi.
Ama unazichoma shindano? Oh, even I see the baby. Kama si kitoto chake.
Hii inaitwa dia, dik.
Dik.
Unajua hiyo ndogo inaitwa dia.
Oh. Ndio inaitwa swara.
Swara. Sasa swara ndogo hii.
Guys, if I could able to go inside here, you can
Capture.
See, you can capture.
Yeah, capture. Small gazelle.
Small gazelle. And running. Urushiki muna kibrigika. Ha? Namwambia kwa lugha yetu. Mbona vile kinaka? Alright guys, I'm thinking to take my chest guard, but let me wear this first. So I'm going to see my brother outside right now, and we check how everything it is, So today he was leaving. These are their shopping here. We have rice, 5 kg, and some little shopping here. Bruno to the world. Mia man, you're good man. Right, and also here. Hey. Yeah? Huh? Mama have prepared my brother Kels right here. For the starting, when you're going to school. Huh? Look. Hey. Yeah? This rice. Yeah. Huh? Now you are leaving home today. Kani mtu. Mama. Mama na hata ukubuskunde. Tena mante. He was enjoying tea, rice. Anyway, guys, we shall meet on the way. Alright, guys. Right now, everything is just okay. Hey, Baba. You see? Yeah.
Mbarikiwe kuliko wanawake wote na Yesu sasa Maria mtakatifu mama wa Mungu, tuombee sisi wakosefu sasa na wakati tukuse Baba, tukuse Mwana kama mwanzo na sasa na siku zote na milele. Tukuse Baba, tukuse Mwana kama mwanzo na siku zote na milele. Tukuse Baba, tukuse Mwana kama mwanzo na siku zote na milele. Usitulime tukiomba katika shida zetu hivi kile baraka kwa jina la Baba na la Mwana mtakatifu.
Amen, guys. We are on short prayers when my brother a lot. Somebody go and show what I'm going to. Now, guys, the implication of having a motorbike. Wana hata mtu ameambia tuchapu kidogo. Tare kiburi keo. Mama hivi ndio vitamere. Tango taranda paha. Pakati nistandia kata. Guys, these are magic. Imagine all of this, and then we left the rest inside the house. Be here. There, that way. Songa hang. Kana pala how you? See, guys, the importance of having the motorbike around our home, man. This is by God's grace. Without my motorbike, people are overcharging us here a lot of money from here up to the stage. So I think today we left you at Nigo, no, at Nebohans. I'm a letter here. Ogana maguta timemba ka skuli.
Era nga kamyanyi.
Yeah.
Kamyanyi.
Apate temer kamyanyi. Tawar ki kamera por un. I'm packing.
Tadora vinoso krimu kianu ikalikio.
Ata koli gamura.
Are kamera mborongera kana shidani.
Iko.
Tem que no so que bailo torque.
Video ma anko ata ko porque no ko home. Parti go bimu. Okay, guys, we still continue, you know. Guys, this is more than motorbike. This is more than motorbike. Telling you. Here no jokes. You know what I mean? Here it's more than motorbike. Oh my God. Guys. Today my mom was my cameraman. It's time to go. So for now, guys, we are leaving home, and look, it's more serious than motorbike, and I don't know where my brother can fit. But it is what it is. One day I'll buy my family car. One day, guys. One day. Okay. So we shall meet at Nyabohansi, because these not jokes while I'm driving. So stay tuned, guys. Mama, bye.
Bye.
Bye, my brothers. You go to school. I wish you all the best. Anyway, guys, we shall meet on the next vlog. All right. All right, guys. Finally, we left home. Look at that. Oh, now it's a problem. Let's go. That's how my brother left home. So we'll meet with him after 4 months. This is crazy. Yeah. Now here, kids are from school. Look that house, man. Painted white. Man, my bike, it helped me a lot. Some shops here, rental house. We have church right here, Kibandask. Hey, school right there, where my young brother and also sisters land. I'm telling you. You see? Okay. Alright, guys, oh, these are some small stones. Guys, we reached at this point. We're still waiting the car. Right now, hey, that's a Subaru. We're waiting the car here. So this is a small station, you know, and that's how Nyabohansi looks like. And most of the time, I do upload my video here. Also, David Jr., we upload the video within here, because here the network was more, you know, perfect. Hey, today's your day. Hey. Tara moto kaya mbili kukinike miguu. Guys, right now we're still waiting the matatu car, and then from that he will go. I say goodbye to him. And the time is running, man. It's 12:23. Hey. Let's see. We wanna wait till further notice. Let me cover my tank. Hold me like this. I want to remove this jacket. I cover my tank because my bike is under sun. Sunny. Show them here. Yeah, I do like this, you know, because the gasolino, it's hitting like that. All right. Guys, if I could have money, I could put the full tank here and then take my brother up to school. It's very far, but right now I decided, okay, it is what it is. And right there. I don't know whether we can get space for my brother. I don't know, because we have a lot of luggage here. Maize, corn, shopping, clothes, everything here. So I'm still waiting. You know, I'm still waiting for sure. is Subaru. People have money here. And today's a market today. You see the car passing right there. Yeah? Imagine guys, I was waiting the car around 40 minutes ago, and I'm still having hope. You know, right now the school have been reopened, and then some students are going back to school. Like, to getting vehicle here, it's not a normal, like a normal day, you know. All right. I don't know whether this car will be maybe full. Okay, that one is full. Here. What do you think? Should I go in Border Town?
No. Just wait.
Like, if I spend here 1 hour, I swear in God, I'll go to Border Town. I'll take you to Border Town. So we came with the car direct from Border Town heading this way. Yeah. We're still waiting, man. We have some hopes. Like, it's sunny and I wear the black shirts. I don't know, you know. Okay, lock this one here like that. Take. Okay, let's sit there, guys. Let's sit under shade as we wait the car right now. This is crazy. I think here they can see us. Yeah, if you stand here, you know, we don't want to go right there. Somebody will take some box and run. Chukuru. So we need to stand here. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. This is the best time to subscribe, comment, share, like. But the best way you can support Hello Baby Official, and also share my videos to your family, guys. Please guys. So I think nobody is staged right there. Nobody. No, that's a Pro Box. Guys, if I could have money, I could fill the gas on my bike, and then we never struggle like this. You know, people have money. Look at that. Huh? Hey, rich people in the world. Look, that's a crown. Anyway guys, let's still waiting, you know. What shall I do? No option. But we're still waiting, man. Hey! Ah! Guys, I'm trying to call that Nissan right there, you know, because it's going direct. My God. No. That's one, no. Yeah, we did this one here. We're wrong, Derek. Shingapi?
300.
Afungua hapa. Kagani bro, sasa unajua ni mwanafunzi.
Sawa, ni vile.
Sino mimi sitaki kukaa Pro Box direct ro.
Ni vile nakuja bro hapo.
Hai.
Fanya haraka wewe, hura thimo kwanza.
Yeah, we did this one, guys. Right.
Sit you mwenye unapigia kwa. Bruce riva.
Wewe acha tukae hapa.
Wewe hizo vitu para kwa. Na ukwani.
Vya udongo. Kombe vya udongo. Uliweka kwa mahindi ndani, hazitapasuka. Ishafika. Hapo ndani kuna vidonge za udongo. Haya. Wewe ingia hapo. Haya mara bye bro. Haya. Haya ndugu yangu. Guys, he was going that way, man. Alright guys, so after escorting my brother, I'm heading home right now. I'm gonna see something to eat, man, you know. Oh, it's crazy here. Right. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, that's crazy, man. I'm still pushing these videos to the end. I think after home I will go to check my friend's land, you know. It's been a while. See those people, they're riding the bicycle. No joke. Yeah, all the way from Tanzania. Oh my God. This is another video, guys. I'm telling you. Hey. They're 4 strong men, you know, riding like crazy. Men at work. The last one, it seems like he was very tired. All the way from Tanzania, in Butiama. Yeah. A man can try. I see the Rasta man who was the first guy. Oh my God. There are 4 bicycles here, guys. I think you can see them. This tricky situation right here. those men. So, hey, no joke. You sure? No joke here. No joke. Whoa. I'm in front of them. Whoa, 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 whoa. They are heading this way, guys. Wow. So let's go. Yeah, I'm heading home, guys, but I'm on this side of the village, heading this way. Yeah. Today is a super calm day, guys. I can't complain at all, you know. I'm still pushing, and yeah, I'm not in a good mood, by the way. So, but I thank God, man. Hey, Africa. Hey, for sure. This is Africa. People building like poo. You know, goats are grazing right there. You know, as I keep shooting this video, I see a nice house plan, the house design, I mean, right here. What do you think, guys? Look at that. That one there. Wow. And also my brother, he normally play here the football in a local way, because the field is not that much good right here. You know, right here, guys, on that field. Also, we have a house design here. That's from a distance. Right there. Hey. Now I'm around at home, so that's how I go. Wagwan, man. Wagwan. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Look at that. And right now the water is running in our village here. They have already started digging the tunnels. Oh my god. Yeah. Back to my village. It is what it is. Alright guys, I'm back home, but I get shocked. No one is here. No one. What I found, it's a bigger padlock. Look. Hey. But guys, it is what it is. So let me go and check my friend's land, and then it's been a while. I think the whole of this week I'm never supposed to go there because we have the funeral at my family on other side. So, and I just came here to eat lunch, but my mama, she have already closed the gates. I don't know whether she going to the market or what. But anyway, guys, let's go. I'll eat later. So what should I do? Oh, yeah. You know, sometimes the good thing is my mama, she was taking care of our home. Sometimes when she was remaining alone here, you know, yeah, she's supposed to close the gates. And in fact, I love that. I love the privacy and also I love the security in our home. Yeah, that's my sister's school bag. Hey, my mama wash it. Hey, hey. All right, and also school uniform. So anyway, we shall meet on the way while I'm heading to my friend's land, guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm on the way heading to my friend's land, and it's a fantastic day. You know, no. It's a fantastic day, and I thank God. You know, this is a driving school right here. Car, oh God, man. The behind the police post. Phew! Man, I love this view here. Hey, I'm telling you for sure, it's having a nice view. Let me know on the comment section what do you think about. Look guys, look by yourself. You see, and Tanzania is not far, guys, from here. You want to use like 20 to 30 minutes, you'll be there by driving right there. No, I love the sky. It's so beautiful, and I'm trying to imagine on the crowd here on the sky whether I can see the map of Asia, South America, or the map of Africa. I'm trying to, you know, see. Or this side, I didn't found it, man. Now that's tobacco plantation. Yeah, it's a sharp corner. Welcome back again on this side here. Hey, take it up, babe. Right, you see on this side people are building, man. Yeah. Let's go. Wow. And I'm trying to look a better place where I'm gonna park my bike, because right there my bike can't pass. I think, guys, right here is better. I'm heading this way, you know. Right. Oh my God, sorry. This is another tricky station. Why should I fall myself down? You know, so I'm heading down. I need to check how everything is, you know. it's been a while, because when I'm going back at my home, because we have the funerals, and then I need to be volunteer right there. So that's the reason why yesterday I washed my bike, and then I put the gas for $5 for any case we need to go, maybe in border town, maybe in Nyabohansi, to pick anything, maybe some food stuff, because people also need, you know, to eat when they come and give us some company. Also need like to have a cup of tea as you know, like receiving more condolence. That's SDA Church right here. Yeah, with a classic toilet. Imagine. Thank you everybody who also supporting our church here. My God bless you. So try to imagine right now the road is just okay, but my entrance going to my friend's land, it's something crazy, you know? Something crazy, guys. You know. Right. Oh, I see they've already put this stuff. No. Let's check. Anyway guys, welcome back at this place. So there's some people, you know, chasing away the eagle at the villa there, because we have some doves, guinea fawn. So right now we have here some construction materials, you know, but it is what it is. Also, I need to check this stuff here. Oh my God, everything is fine. You see the big difference between my blocks and bricks. Bricks you can cover by using polythene paper, but blocks, trust me, it can stay there like 3 years. But hopefully, by God's grace, next year we are going to start a huge mansion project, you know. So when I finish, at the same time when I finish the issues back at my home, I'll come here to slash, you know, things like this. I don't want maybe things to be grow taller here, you know. But at things I see it's fine. I can't complain here. Everything just okay. Like everything is awesome. Yeah, look. You know? Everything it's wow. Oh, it has some padlock. You know, my work is to check. Yeah. See cow grazing there. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support that you are showing me since day one up to nowadays. And I need to stay strong, because even right now, like, you know, I doesn't have that moods of vibing here and there, but I'm trying my best, man. So today also, it's on Thursday. That being said earlier, I escort my brother, so we're gonna see what's next, you know. But also I need to see my family succeed, including my young brother and sister, you know. So guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. We shall meet on the next vlog, maybe which is tomorrow or another day, because right now I have some challenges here and there. So anyway guys, bye.